Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about how to travel interstate and interdistrict during this lockdown period. But before going into the video, I want to tell you what actually an e-pass is. An e-pass is an electronic pass issued by the state government to the common people so that it would facilitate their traveling in interstate and interdistrict easily during this lockdown period. With an e-pass, you can easily travel interstate. For example, you want to travel from Maharashtra to Madhya Pradesh, you can easily travel with it. With an e-pass, you can also travel inter-district. For example, you want to travel from Vikarabad to Hyderabad. With an e-pass, you can easily do it. Now, coming into the video. To apply for an e-pass, go to your respective state police department website. Here you will see a lot of options, but from all those options just click on this first option which is written COVID-19 lockdown e-pass. As soon as you click on this first tab, you will see a couple of options like e-pass, citizen print pass, admin login. But among these all three options, you have to click on this first option which is an e-pass. As soon as you click on this e-pass option, you will be asked about where are you presently residing, and you have to select where are you presently residing now and click on the proceed button. As soon as you click on the proceed button, you will be given an application where you have to fill your personal details. Here you have to select the gender and the pass holder name, your contact number, your emergency number, your Aadhaar number, and what's the actually purpose you need the pass for, and is the pass required for individual or a group of people. And you have to also select the vehicle type, for example like 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, heavy vehicle, and you have to also write your vehicle registration number here. After that, you have to fill your route details, from where are you traveling, and after filling all these details, you have to fill the destination state where you have to go, your destination district, your address, house number, street, village, colony, town, destination pin code, and route details. After filling all these details, next you have to come down to the pass validity period, and then you have to choose the time up to when you need the pass for. Then you have to fill the correspondence address, and after filling all those details, there will be a last detail which has to be filled. It's the transport details. You have to select the vehicle seater capacity, for example like 3 seater, whether is it a 2 seater or 4 seater, and total number of persons who are traveling with you excluding the pass holder name. And here you have to upload the applicant photo, and what's the purpose you need a pass for, I mean like the purpose of your e-pass document. And here you have to upload your Aadhaar card, and here you have to select your jurisdiction name and enter the exact captcha which will be displayed for you there. And as soon as you click on the save and generate acknowledgement button, your application will be successfully submitted and you will receive a reference number. You will also see the same page which is being displayed here. You will also receive a message to your mobile number. Well, after that, to make sure that to know that if your pass is approved or not, you have to click here to take a print of the pass. Well, it's an humble request to all the people. Please do not apply passes unnecessarily as it creates heavy traffic on police department portal and also on police personals, and the people who need the passes on emergency basis would be deprived of passes. And in case you have any family member who needs medical attention immediately, then please apply the passes early in the morning hours. And please do take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.